So it's time to finally shoot the first vlog for my YouTube channel, and I'm super excited and very nervous at the same time. Today is Saturday, it's the 24th of July. It's a weekend, so I usually pamper myself, put some face mask on, and if you notice my hair, I've done some touch up with the help of my mom at home. And I've also applied some nail polish at home today. All this pampering is happening because I'm going for a staycation tomorrow, and I thought that since I'm going for a staycation, I'll make a travel vlog for you all. So I just had shower now, and since I'm leaving at 11 o'clock in the morning, I thought I'll just pack my bags because I don't like to keep it for the last minute. So I'll just show you all. So आजकल mask तो एकदम ज़्यादा important है, तो mask is the first thing that I've packed. Then I've got my makeup pouch over here. I've got one sling bag which I'll carry, two pair of glares, one for tomorrow and one for day after tomorrow. Earrings, perfume, I can't live without it. And this is my clothes for tomorrow morning. And this is what I'll be wearing there. And because I was flying with Jet Airways, I'm very particular about my grooming. I love looking good and pampering myself. Also, I love packing my stuff in advance because for flights, I used to always pack my things one day in prior. So it's a good habit that I've learned. Also guys, since this is my first vlog, I'm not a professional at all at it. You all must have seen me in Shanice's and Nikhil's vlog. I do appear in their vlogs, but I have no experience to make a vlog. So now I'm just using my iPhone's front camera and I'm shooting a vlog. I'm super excited for tomorrow morning. I finished all my packing, everything is ready. I've got everything sorted and I just have to leave. I don't think I'm going to sleep tonight. It's giving me the excitement of school days when we used to go for picnic. And because of this pandemic, I haven't traveled for a really long time. So I'm really excited for this staycation. So today is 25th of July. It is Sunday and I have finally left. And as you all can see, I'm in the car. So I'm going with my family. And my dad's driving the car. And my mom is here. And we are going to Shanice and Nikhil's place. So we'll be going to Powai and from there we'll be going in Nikhil's car. And this is also our first family outing after their marriage. So we have reached their building and now we are going to park our car. We have finally reached the Sula Vineyards and we have parked our car and we are waiting for the buggy over here. So many beautiful wines. So we finally checked into our hotel, which is at the Sula Vineyards. We are at Nasik currently. And I really love this area outside my room. It's amazing. And it's so cool and the weather is amazing over here. So I'll just give you all a room tour. So we have this beautiful little swings outside our room. And my mom is nicely enjoying over here. And it's on the ground floor. Put your photo away. And this is what the room looks like. It's pretty. Nice washroom. Such a beautiful property and there are different kinds of rooms everywhere. I like the one over here also. It's like a tree house thing. And let's go to the pool area. So pretty. I really love this vibe of this place. It's amazing. All pretty lovely flowers. So this is the place that we are staying at, and that's our room. It's almost 6 p.m. in the evening and it's sunset time. The thing is so amazing. And it's drizzling too. So I've changed my clothes now and I'm going to go to the pool. This property is too pretty and the pool, they are allowing us to go in the pool, so I'm not going to miss this chance. I love water. I love getting wet in the rain. So this is the perfect chance to do so. I had too much fun going in the pool. I almost stayed in the water for at least 45 minutes. It was so fun and relaxing at the same time. And my dad and Nikhil also enjoyed a lot. And my mom and Shanice were busy clicking our pictures and taking our videos. So this is the vibe of the place during the night. Hello. Birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear mummy. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. Happy birthday, dear mummy. Birthday. Happy birthday to you. We love you.
Thank you very much.
So it's day 2 today. It's 26th of July. It's my mom's birthday. And as you all have seen last night, we celebrated the birthday, we cut cake and all. And that moment I was extremely tired. I had no energy because after swimming, I felt like my energy was fully drained out. So I just sat without makeup. So if you all have seen my picture with my mom cutting her cake. So what's your birthday wish, mummy, today? My 51st birthday.
That you may get a good husband and get married.
Not about me, about you, your first wish.
You?
Mummy, which cycle you want? I wanted that one. Which one I'll take? I'll take the red one. Okay, chalo, let's go.
Make sure that we come out the same room over here. We have a tasting part over there. Done with the tour, and so this is my partner. Over here, I have my colleague Mr. Gordon. They telling your hands, taking care of yourself. I will take it. The water today. Yeah. So guys, I'm also going to guide you guys how to open a sparkling wine. So we need to first take out the cover out. Okay. Oh, happy birthday.
Happy birthday. So guys, I'm finally back from Nasik and we as a family had a lovely experience at the Sula Vineyards. The wine tasting session today was amazing and now I've just reached home and I'm extremely tired. Hope you all like this video that I've shared with you all. So please press the like button and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't. It was my first attempt at making a vlog, so I'm just sharing my lovely family experience with you all. I hope you all love this video. I will see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care.